Hey everyone, if n8n is not working properly on your system, don't worry. This guide will walk you through the most common fixes step by step. So let's get started. First, make sure your n8n server is actually running. If you're using Docker or a local setup, check whether the service is active. If it's stopped, just start it again and see if that fixes the issue. Next, check your internet connection. If your workflows rely on external APIs or cloud services, a weak or unstable connection can cause them to fail or not trigger properly. Now try restarting n8n. Stop the service completely, then start it again. This helps clear temporary bugs or stuck processes that may be causing the problem. After that, check your credentials and nodes, open your workflow, and make sure all API keys, login details, and node configurations are correct. Even a small mistake in one node can stop the entire workflow from running. Also, make sure you're using the latest version of n8n. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements, so updating can resolve many hidden issues. If it's still not working, check the logs. Logs can show exactly what's going wrong, whether it's a failed API request or a configuration problem. And that's it. That's how you fix n8n when it's not working in 2026 and get your workflows running smoothly again. Hey everyone.